I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make double chocolate cookies. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a medium bowl until they are fully combined. This ensures even distribution of the leavening agents, which is crucial for perfectly risen cookies. Set this mixture aside for now. Next, we'll work on the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Finally, stir in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract to enhance the chocolate flavor. This creates the rich base for our delicious cookies. Now it's time to bring everything together. Slowly add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough, as this can lead to tough cookies. Once the flour streaks are almost gone, gently fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. I recommend using a combination of semi-sweet and milk chocolate for a delightful double chocolate experience. This step ensures every bite is packed with gooey goodness. Finally, let's bake these beauties. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for approximately 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are set but the centers are still slightly soft. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your warm, chewy double chocolate cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.